and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to track Razorpay payments automatically in Google Sheet. So here my objective is whenever a new payment can be captured through my Razorpay, then automatically all the leads of my user will be added into my Google Sheet. For that, I am going to do the integration between my Razorpay and the Gmail, and this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will used in real time. For that, I am going to purchase this black t-shirt. Here the amount of this t-shirt is 500. After that, I am adding all the test details in these fields. Here I write. After that, I am going to click on this pay option. Now I am doing one test payment here. We have to wait for a few seconds. See, my payment is successfully completed. Now we will check our Google Sheet. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet which includes all the details that I have shared while doing the transaction. Now, if you also want to do this type of automation, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. So see, here I am on the workflow builder page of my Pabbly Connect. When you search pabbly.com/connect into your browser, then you will land on the official page of Pabbly Connect, where if you are a new user, then you can simply click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. As I am a Pabbly existing user, so I directly come into the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. After doing the sign up process, you will be landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you have to simply click on the create workflow option. After that, you have to select the workflow builder. I selected the workflow builder as new beta. As soon as I select the workflow builder as new beta, then this is the interface that is visible in front of you. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger, where at first you have to select your trigger application. Trigger says when this happen. Now for selecting the trigger application, I am going to simply click on this plus option and searching the app as Razorpay, because I want my trigger application as Razorpay. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as payment captured. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide me one webhook URL that I am going to copy from here. Now I am going to my Razorpay account. So this is my Razorpay dashboard. Now for connecting my Razorpay to Pabbly Connect, I am going to simply click on this accounts and settings option. After that, I am clicking on this webhooks option. Then I am going to click on this plus add new webhook. After that, I am pasting the webhook URL that I have copied from my Pabbly Connect. In the next, I am going to simply select the action event as payment captured. After that, I am going to click on this create webhook button. See, my webhook is successfully added into my Razorpay. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. For getting this webhook response, I am going to again make a payment. For that, I am clicking on this payment pages option. After that, I am simply copying this page URL and opening this in a new tab. Here I am going to again fill all the test details. After that, I am going to simply click on this pay button. Here I am again doing one test payment. See, my payment is successfully done. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, I have received the response 10 seconds ago. That means my Razorpay account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, in the next, I am going to take the application as number formatter, because Razorpay does not include the decimal in the amount. For that, I am going to simply select this number formatter. After that, the app event I select as perform math operation. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me one field by the name of numbers, where I am going to map the amount of t-shirt that I have received from my previous application, that is the Razorpay. Here I mapped. After that, you have to simply enter comma here and the 100. Now I want to divide this amount by 100, so I am selecting the operation as divide. After that, I am going to click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the actual amount of t-shirt. Now after that, I want to store my user data into my Google Sheet. For that, I am taking my next application as Google Sheet. After that, the app event I select as add new row. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. If you don't have existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have already an existing connection, so I am selecting this. After that, I'm going to click on the save option. See, my Google Sheet account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I have selected the spreadsheet as Razorpay payments. After that, you can see it will provide me multiple fields here, that is the full name, phone number, email, city, pin code and amount. See, this is this sheet. Now here I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous applications. That is the full name of my user. Here I mapped. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, in this phone number field, I'm going to map the phone number. Then I'm going to map all the rest of the fields. Lastly, in this amount field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my number formatter. That is the actual value of the t-shirt. Here I mapped. After that, I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now we will check our Google Sheet that a new row is added or not. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet which includes all the details that I have mapped in each of these fields. So now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle so that your workflow will be active. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any single line of code, and it is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.